My name is Sonny Casiano, maintenance painter at OHSU. The most rewarding aspect of my job is when I get thanked. It makes me feel good that I'm a familiar face in this place and I'm needed. And it's not just painting walls, we power wash and stripe the parking lots and just lots of signage and things like that. So there's a lot of finish work too that we do behind the scenes. The clipboard is something that, in case someone's colorblind or it's in the middle of the night, it glows in the dark, you can't lose it. It stands out. And in there I keep all the, what we call PICOs and SOPs. And basically they're just documents to show that I have been approved to work in certain areas and I understand what the parameters are. I'm surprised how many people don't know that OHSU has its own in-house painters. The OHSU painters that we have here now are, I think, the cream of the crop in Portland. And so a normal day we meet at 3:30, we get up whatever paint setup we need and just make sure we have as much supplies as we need so we don't have to come back to the shop. So we have a palette, and yes, there is 50 or 60 or 70 colors that we use. There's one called Happy Time. Fruity Pajamas, that's the one that's in the cafeteria. Just the names. I want to get a job making up these names. I have a sister and a brother that both live on Long Island. My niece is like my baby. I raised her with my sister since infancy. I just gave her away in a wedding last September. I'm a musician, a guitar player, singer. I'm more of a songwriter than anything. And I came from a close, tight-knit family. To even extend that, my neighborhood, the people I grew up with. You know somebody all your life, they're family.